Let us begin this week with both pride and urgency. Pride in the results we delivered and urgency in the standards we must continue to uphold. I commend all PNP personnel across the country for your sustained efforts in our campaign against illegal drugs, smuggling, hoarding, profiteering, and oil pilferage. At a time when energy security remains a concern, our coordination with the Department of Energy is critical. We are called to ensure uninterrupted access to essential resources by protecting the supply, preventing abuse, and safeguarding the public from those who seek to exploit moments of vulnerability. Sa pamamagitan ng ating pagtutulungan, na ipapakita natin na ang kapulisan ay tunay na katuwang ng sambayanan sa pagprotekta sa kanilang kabuhayan at kinabukasan. We must also confront issues that strikes at the very core of our institutional values. The reported maltreatment of the Philippine National Police Academy involving fourth-class cadets demands swift, transparent, and uncompromising action. Any act that causes harm, demeans dignity, or distort the true meaning of discipline has no place in the Philippine National Police. Walang puwang ang hazing sa ating organisasyon at sisiguraduhin natin na sino man ang lumabag sa utos na ito ay mananagot. I have directed the Directorate for Plans, the Directorate for Education and Training, the Directorate for Personnel and Records Management, and the Philippine National Police Academy to conduct a full and thorough reassessment, not as a routine review, but corrective action to strengthen safeguards, enforce accountability, and enforce that this does not happen again. Nuulit ko, walang puwang ang hazing sa ating hanay. Ito ay isang tahasang paglabag sa disiplina, dangal at sa ating paninindigan bilang mga alagad ng batas. Hindi natin ito kailanman palalampasin o hahayaan. On a more positive note, we recognize the early gains of our Safer Cities initiatives, which we have rolled out in Metro Manila as part of our intensified efforts to secure urban communities. Thousands of ordinances violations have already been addressed in close coordination with local government units as well as barangays. This reflects not only stronger enforcement, but also a growing culture of discipline and shared responsibility among our citizens. Through increased police visibility, that is in schools, transport hubs, commercial areas, and other places of convergence, we send the clear message that your police are present. They are present. They are alert and ready to respond. This is about prevention, presence, and partnership. To all PNP personnel, remain firm in your duty. Let discipline guide your actions, and let accountability shape your decisions. We carry authority, but more importantly, we carry the trust of the people. Ang tiwala ng mamamayan ay hindi hinihingi. Ito ay pinapatunayan araw-araw. Together, let us build a police organization that the nation can be proud of. One that is responsive in action, upright in character, and deeply connected to the communities we serve. This is the core of our mission and the path we must all uphold. A bagong PNP para sa bagong Pilipinas.
Serbisyong mabilis, tapat at nararamdaman.